Hello and welcome to this video on bursting analytic documents and Excel compound reports using the ReportCaster basic scheduling tool. Bursting allows you to split up reporting content that you distribute with ReportCaster so that you can send each recipient the information that they need without having to send an entire report to each recipient. This capability includes analytic documents and Excel compound reports, which can be composed of multiple charts and reports. To enable bursting for an analytic document or Excel compound report, you should create a filter that uses a static or dynamic multi-select parameter. Setting the parameter to multi-select will allow you to select burst values in the ReportCaster scheduling tool. In InfoAssist, to make the parameter multi-select, when you create the parameter, select the Select Multiple Values at Runtime checkbox. Any components that don't have the filter with the parameter applied will not be filtered upon distribution. For example, if we did not apply the filter to the pie chart, the same pie chart would appear in every burst compound report, while the report with the parameter applied would change based on the filter. Once your content is ready for distribution, save it and return to the home page. In the home page, schedule the analytic document or Excel compound report using the method of your choice. In the scheduling tool, click Parameters. The parameter that you created in the analytic document or compound report is listed. When you click the parameter properties are filled in. Note that the value field is set to default null, which represents every value, and that there is a value button. This button is available because the parameter is multi-select. Click the value button and observe that all values is selected. You can keep the selection or clear the all values checkbox to select individual burst values. Once you've selected your burst values, you can select the Repeat Task for each selected value checkbox to have each value distributed as a separate analytic document or a compound report. Otherwise, only one analytic document or compound report will be sent containing all selected values. You can only enable this checkbox for one parameter at a time. Once your parameter is defined, all burst values will appear within brackets in the value field and in the parameter list. Configure the rest of your schedule, and once you are finished, click Save and Close. Based on the settings of your schedule, the specified distribution will be made for each of the burst values. Bursting an analytic document or Excel compound report gives you the ability to distribute sections of charts and reports created from a single file, while still providing the flexibility to send only the information that you wish to send to specific recipients or locations. To learn more, visit the Web Focus Knowledge Base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.